our report for this discussion is all about initial stability of a ship. So, this report examines the key concepts and factors influencing the initial stability of a ship. So initially, the initial stability refers to a ship's resistance to a small angular displacements from its upright position. Kibali mag lihok-lihok ra siya, kibali kintahay barko, maglihok-lihok ra siya gamay. Ana murag tahay na ay displacement nga kuan ka degree. Zero man kintahay na mga 9 degree ra nga na. So, understanding this is crucial for safe and efficient operation. So, we have nomenclature and key parameters. So, the initial stability of a ship is defined by several key parameters, which can be illustrated in accompanying diagram. So, meaning of kg, keel to center gravity. The vertical distance between the keel, which is K, and the center of gravity, which is G, of the ship. This represents the ship's vertical weight distribution. So we have KB, keel to center of buoyancy. The vertical distance between the keel and the center of buoyancy, which is B. The center of buoyancy is the centroid of the underwater volume of the ship's hull. And we have Km, keel to metacenter. The vertical distance between the keel and the metacenter is a point of intersection of the lines of action of the buoyant force when the ship is tilted slightly. Hinay ra gihapon ko ang gi-explain pag ganiha. So JM, metacentric height. Mo may na search. So ang meaning sa JM is metacentric height. So the distance between the center of gravity, which is G, and the metacenter, which is M, this is a crucial parameter for initial stability. So, a larger JM indicates greater initial stability, which can be JM is equals to KM minus KG. So, yes. So, we have BM, buoyancy, to metacenter. The distance between the center of buoyancy, which is B, and the metacenter, which is M, this value is determined by the shape of the hull and independent of a ship's loading. Then we have GZ, which is the right levering or lever, the horizontal distance between the forces of weight and buoyancy when the ship is heeled or motilt siya, pasaka ba, pinasaka or pinaubos. So this lever arm generates the righting moment that restores the ship to its upright position. So GZ is a important function of the angle of heel. So that's all for my report.
Explanation. Explanation is the metacentric height, or GM, is a measure of a ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better initial stability. So what is GM? GM is stand for metacentric height, and its measure is a ship stability. So the higher GM is the better ship stability. For example, kung taas ang GM or metacentric height, mas ligon ang barko, in short. Kung gamay naman ang GM sa barko, it means kusog mulihok ang barko or magwibwib. Initial stability is a resistance of a ship to small changes in the difference between the vertical forces applied on its two sides. For example, kung taas ang initial stability sa barko, hindi madaling tumagilid ang barko sa maliit na alon, and that's the meaning of the initial stability. Stability of a ship. The stability of a ship, it is tendency to return the original upright state when an external force is applied or removed. For example, kung matamaan ang barko ng pinakamalakas na alon at tumagilid ito, at kung matatag ang stability ng isang barko, ay babalik ito sa straight position or normal position. That's the meaning of stability of a ship. And the last is factors affecting stability. The shape of hull, the draft, and the trim, all affecting the stability of a ship. So, maraming factors na naapektuhan sa ship stability sa barko, tulad ng shape of the hull, the draft, the trim. That's all.
The initial stability of a ship is a critical factor in a seaworthiness. Careful of consideration of the parameter discussed above, particularly the metacentric high, is initial during a ship design of operation. Maintaining the sufficient GM value of ensures that the ship will readily return in its upright position after encountering external force of disturbance. Proper cargo handling and understand the influence of whole ship. Draft the trim are crucial of maintaining safe and stable ship operation. Examples, that is, section should be filled in each team member outlining their specific contribution to the research. Writing the diagram, interpretation, for example, is one person is research the route of introducing the conclusion of section, and the person 2 is explain the nomenclature and key parameter influencing the diagram, and the person 3 detail the factor of affecting stability and their impact on initial stability. This report is provide a comprehensive overview of initial stability of a ship. Further analysis could involve specific calculation for a particular vessel or a deeper exploration of dynamic stability. That's all.